Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
A bad PCV valve often produces a distinctive sound, such as a high-pitched whistle or moaning. This is typically due to a vacuum leak caused by the failure of the valve to close properly. Listen for these sounds under the hood, especially when your vehicle is idling. Identifying and replacing a faulty PCV valve promptly can prevent more significant engine issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.